are deep in the suburbs of Melbourne at Knox Skatepark with Jakob Robinson. We're going to have a crack at bringing back the six packs. We got a six rack of the visitor beers on request by Gavin. Thanks for stitching us up there, mate. No one drinks this shit, but it's basically our national emblem, I suppose. Let's get it going. Fucking back boneless fakie over the spine.
No.
You'll be okay.
Let's give it a go.
I forgot to mention you get 35 Aussie dollars as well, so you could buy a six pack of Bundy.
That's sweet, that's fine.
Or like $6 if you go to the US.
Do I have to shotgun this or
No.
Is that like...
It's lunchtime, you do what you want. Blunt slide, front side revert.
Might actually be useful for fucking something. That's way slipperier there.
I just came to... Oh my God.
So bad.
How do you feel about the spine ramp?
Yeah, alright, let's check it out.
Miller flip?
Oh, that's gonna look sick.
That couldn't have been better. You all good?
Yeah, I'm good.
We are at skatepark number 2. We're 3 down, 3 to go.
Yeah.
Are you warming up to the VBs?
No, not at all.
Come on, man.
I'm drinking it.
It's un-Australian.
I'm drinking it, that's the main thing.
Alright, I want to see some shit on this tombstone thing.
Okay.
Front side pivot to fakie.
Yeah.
Or Peter Blunt.
Yeah.
Whatever you call it. That, you know what I'm talking about?
Okay. I'll do a grab one first and then I'll try and do the proper one. That doesn't count as 2 tricks, it's just one.
Yeah, they add up to one trick.
They add up to one trick, yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Done deal. I wouldn't have landed it if I was drinking this shit too. Alright, since he's over that second trick, his punishment is he has to shotgun this bad boy. Thank you. Oh, shit. For a hard-earned thirst. That was mental. Good stuff, mate. You don't have to shotgun this one, you can just enjoy it.
Sweet. I'll just weigh or...
You're swirling it. VB connoisseur. All right, what are we saying? You want to go hit the bowl? Shove, nose slide. I've seen you do those.
On the face wall.
Yeah, on the back wall, wherever you reckon.
I think that was it.
Yeah, claim your prize, sucker. Oh, and $35 in Monopoly money.
These fucking fivers, what the fuck? Is that
Pick your
35?
wicket.
Is that 35? Yeah, it is. Sorry about that. That was a slog. That was horrible.
That was good. You killed it. Thanks, mate.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. Cheers.
Cheers for the beers, I guess.